Hello. Welcome back to the Abode of Unity. It is day 2 of Uwu. That's what I'm calling it now. It's universe within you, but instead of UWY, it's gonna be UWU. It's Uwu. You know? So I'm just chilling here at this park right now, and I'm trying to do this fast because there's bugs everywhere, and I live in Florida, and it just got done raining. You may be wondering, why is my hair wet? It's raining, and there's bugs everywhere, so I just gotta do this quick. Yeah, so I gotta do this quick. It is currently 9:32 and it is August 6th. Just got done working out, went on a run, was running through the rain. It was beautiful, blissful. Oh, there's a flip for you. Day 2, that's a flip. That's a video. That's a day. Doing it my way. Yeah. But the real reason I'm making this video is because I want to tell you how fun swings are. You know, I haven't gone on a swing in a long time. I'm at this park, went on a swing, and it was absolutely beautiful. I haven't been on a swing in so long that I just was like soaring through the air. I could not stop laughing. It was one of those belly laughs where you just like are laughing from the stomach. It was amazing. It was incredible. So that's the reason I'm making this video, is for you to go on a swing. The moon looks beautiful. Moon. Stars look great. The past is history, the future is a mystery, but the present moment is a gift. That's why it's called the present. Yeah. There we go. I do that a lot. She broke the other one. Don't breathe.
Get down.
One movie in the 80s with the guy who did Interstellar. What's his name?
I don't know who you're talking about.
No, you do not. You will.
Don't care.
This guy. Hey, did you see Interstellar? Have you seen Interstellar?
No?
Oh.
Have you?
What?
Oh my god, your raptor claws just killed my foot.
That's why I curl them out.
Yeah, clearly. They literally just like raped my toes.
You gotta see Interstellar. It's literally like the Matrix. The Matrix. It's really the best movie on my end. Now. This guy. Matthew McConaughey.
Oh, I love Matthew McConaughey.
Yeah. He made a movie. He's in Interstellar, the main Interstellar. He made a movie in the 80s.
Alright. He's actually done that a couple different times.
Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ants. How many ants are there, Jasper? 5.
Poor Jasper. He like loves that song though. I would have some water.
Water, stack. Water. Hey, it needs water. But wait, I gotta record.
Wait.
Get the water.
Something's not right with you.
There's no water in the water container. 1, 2, 3. Oh, baby.
Okay, now you want to kind of flip these around.
Oh.
Little flip-a-doo.
Oh, sesame seeds. I give it a sesame. Un tao mao. Arigato.
Whoa.
Oh, look at that.
I don't know what's going on over here, but...
Cheers, guys. We're celebrating 1 million subscribers.
Oh my
Thanks
gosh.
for calling me to do this vegan cook-off. This is a vegan cook-off, and I win because hers is not vegan.
Dude, I seriously think that...
Oh.
Oh.
What is going on with him?
Oh,
What's going on with like all
just got
these
wrecked.
shows? They're all like the same.
He slashed him.
Wait, we've been watching the same show.
Well, I know, but like all the anime is like the same.
No, this is a category of anime called shonen.
Oh, like go fight.
Yeah,
Shonen's comics.
Shonen.
Yeah, like really-
Shonen Run?
No, shonen is fighting animes. There's different animes that don't have any fighting at all.
Yeah,
It's just
I
like
feel
any, you see every category on Netflix, comedy, romance, that's all in anime too. Just the most popular animes are shonen.
Do they taste like pork onion fries?
I don't know what pork is because I haven't had it in a million, but but this tastes good.
It's all peaches?
I don't know if it's all
You can
peaches.
start getting.
How much?
I'm just kidding.
How much?
Living lavish out here, million subscribers.
Okay, go ahead.
You know they have like a stronger mushroom taste?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like. Fairy King was like super strong.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
he almost knows his power.
But he gets, yeah, he still hasn't unlocked his full potential.
What did you make with mushrooms?
Oh.
Don't they have one of those now?
Heyo! So day 2 of meditation went okay. I was slightly intoxicated from the El Vino I was drinking, and it kind of just yeah. But meditation is a meditation, and it went well. It was nice and calming, nice and soothed. So in the beginning, I started with some stretching as I usually do, and then I did a total of 14 minutes. And within the first 7 minutes, I held a position called Shambhavi Mudra, and it's from Sadhguru's Inner Engineering. I highly recommend checking it out. I'll probably leave a link in the description. And then for the last 7 minutes, I just do kind of a freestyle meditation where I go with the flow and do whatever with my hands. And in this case, I held an energy chi ball within my hands, and it was so dope. Highly recommend trying that out as well. You can just literally feel the energy within your palms. Incredible stuff. Also, there was a bit of distraction when I was meditating, but what is the meditation without distraction? As Alan Watts said, if you can't meditate in a boiler room, you can't meditate at all. So, with that said, as always, much love, peace, and abundance to you, baby. Wait, no, wait, turn that on. Wait, I need that light on. Wait, I need that light on. What?
What do you need it on for?
I need that light on.
This light?
Yeah, for the camera.
Oh. This one.
Yeah, just for a second.
Okay.
Thanks.
No.